Dan Gibson unwittingly confirms Abraha's attack on Mecca in 570 AD. It proves Mecca's existence in Arabia in 570 AD. People who think otherwise are wrong. Abraha was a real person, a real king of Yemen of the 6th century. Archaeological inscriptions discovered from Yemen prove him as an historical figure. And his attack on Mecca was also an historical fact. Abraha inscription number 506 bears its witness. Dan Gibson confirmed this information in his video Q&A Abraha on YouTube.
But what is of interest to us is yet another Abraha inscription. This is an undated inscription called Reichmann's 506. In which Abraha goes on yet another expedition into Central Arabia. On the way he reaches Yathrib or Medina. This is probably the actual expedition of Abraha with his army and his elephant. Although it's undated, Professor Kister concluded that this event took place around 552 AD, while according to Dr. Robbins' analysis, it should be dated to shortly after 558 AD. Regardless of the actual date, there is no doubt that there was a Yemeni ruler known as Abraha, and that he sent an excursion north from Yemen into Arabia.
Abraha had the courage to attack Mecca because no king and no regular army were there in Arabia at that time. Abraha roamed about in the desert of Arabia like an unchallengeable lion. He conquered over many tribes of Arabia and ventured to conquer Mecca that had no ruler and had been run by the consensus of many clans of the Quraysh. The people who claim that Mecca was in Petra are proved wrong by the historical fact of Abraha's attack on Mecca. If Mecca were in Petra, then Abraha would never approach near it, because the mightiest army of the world at that time, the Romans, were in Petra. It was the capital of Arabia, Petra, a province of the Byzantine Empire under the rule of Heraclius. A petty king like Abraha would never put himself into risk by approaching Petra. So, as Abraha really attacked Mecca, it was not in Petra, it was doubtlessly in Arabia. People who are still in doubt must realize that there was no clash of the Romans with Abraha during this expedition against Mecca. It proves that he never entered the territory of the Romans, and that Mecca was beyond the territory of the Romans. That means it was in Arabia, just on the spot of present site of Mecca. My conclusion is that Mecca was there in the 6th century, that Mecca was definitely in Arabia, and that the Kaaba was also in Mecca in the 6th century, as Abraha attacked Mecca in the 6th century to demolish the Kaaba.
Abraha had some kind of Christian faith, and he built a church in Sana'a in Yemen. After he built this church, he tried to convince the local Yemenis to worship there. But they wanted to go north and to worship at something called the Kaaba. Eventually, a Canaanite man came down to the church, and he went into it and he defiled it with dung. And Abraha responded with anger, and he swore he would destroy this Kaaba building.
The historical fact proves everything the current history says about the Kaaba, about Islam, and about the Arabian people. The people who reject these things are only misguided. The truth seeker must avoid the misguided people. Thank you for watching the video.